Now I want to introduce you to another incredible leader, somebody who has pioneered this critical technology and has really shown how our path through this pandemic. Let's go and take a look at this amazing vision from Lynne Zaledonis. Lynne, can you hear me?
Thank you, Mark. With COVID-19 vaccinations in such incredible demand, every health organization and government entity is thinking about how to get residents a vaccine in record time. That's why we created Vaccine Cloud, built on the trusted Salesforce platform. Vaccine Cloud helps both public and private organizations scale their rollouts in only 3 weeks. I want you to meet Carol. Carol's eager to get vaccinated and to keep herself and those around her safe. But this is all new, and she isn't sure how to go about scheduling her appointment. Thankfully, public health agencies can take a proactive role and let residents know when they're eligible. Excited to register, she jumps right in. This portal's built on Experience Cloud, which can be simply modified to reflect updates. This means people like Carol receive the latest information, which is crucial in a time like this. Carol sees the important details and how to register front and center on the page. First, she fills out where she lives, and then she picks her preferred location and grabs a coveted appointment spot with a super speedy click. Next, she has to fill out a wellness questionnaire to make sure she's safe to receive the vaccine. Now, the information Carol provides is stored securely on Salesforce's government cloud, which is FedRAMP certified. Her information is only shared with the local public health authority. And just like that, she's registered. How simple was that? She gets her appointment confirmation and is filled with hope, knowing she's in line for a safe and healthy future, and excited thinking about getting back to the people, places, and plans she has missed.
Sandy beaches, here I come.
Carol isn't at the beach just yet, but today she's taking a huge step in that direction. She grabs her mask and her hand sanitizer and sets out to the vaccine site. Carol's check-in process is safe, in part because it's completely touch-free. As she scans the QR code, her appointment's pulled up on the vaccinator screen, which is also powered by Experience Cloud. From here, the vaccinator follows the built-in screening procedures to make sure Carol's safe to proceed. And she's also informed of potential risks and post-care steps. After the shot's administered, the vaccinator logs the lot number to keep the inventory accurate. And since Carol is the 2-dose shot, the vaccinator schedules her follow-up in 3 weeks. Carol's halfway done. This is awesome. She sends a quick text to her travel buddies and heads home, so excited that there's a light at the end of the tunnel for her. But there's more to this story. Let's meet the state health administrator, Anna. She has a huge job. The population needs to be vaccinated, and she has to make sure they're on track. To get the full picture, she needs Tableau. Anna uses Tableau to see and understand the vaccine progression data for the entire region. A lot of this data came from Salesforce, but Anna also needs non-Salesforce data from public health databases, CDC portals, and more. So enter MuleSoft. MuleSoft's integration platform brings the data into Tableau for a fully comprehensive view. And for government entities, this is simpler than ever using the Health Level 7 connector, which allows data to transmit and translate securely across different healthcare and public health IT systems. By bringing this external data into Tableau, public health organizations can see a true 360-degree view of their program. In this case, Anna can see that about 76% of the doses have been given, which is on track for the program. And this visualization helps her identify which sites are lagging behind, but doesn't tell her why. That's where Einstein Discovery comes in. Einstein goes under the hood to provide the why behind the current vaccination pace. In this case, flagging that the average total doses used in her region can be improved. With these insights, she's empowered to take action, allocating vaccine distribution equitably across sites and removing blockers from the road to recovery. Anna has the tools she needs to see a light at the end of the tunnel for all of us. With Vaccine Cloud, we've created a solution that brings together the best technologies from health, government, experience clouds, as well as Tableau, MuleSoft, and more to help communities reopen safely. Thanks to the world's #1 trusted, intelligent, and scalable platform, Vaccine Cloud helps health agencies put residents and stakeholders first. Back to you, Mark.
All right, well, thank you, Lynn. That was amazing, and everyone can see what it takes. This has got to be one of the biggest logistical and information technology challenges in our world to get everybody vaccinated to help us get through this unbelievable pandemic. And things like the Vaccine Cloud are going to be critical to making that happen. So thank you, Lynn, for everything you're doing for making that. And thank you, Jessica, for being one of the key people who have guided us to this place.